I'm new on YouTube. I make mostly survival videos, and I've been playing Mr. Survival. This is I have returned to my home base just to make some Molotov cocktails, um, asking Scott but I think this is not possible. So I go to my spare bench and I try to craft chainsaw chain. What I do need are some nails, 20 nails, so I do craft 50, because for the chain you need but I have no place and all the nails on the floor. I hate this, I hate this, I hate this. This is so uncool. Every nail and most of the nails under the workbench. See, see, 21. Missing a lot. Anyways, I do some more because I want to craft 2 chains. Okay, the bandits are dead. No match, no starter found. Okay. This is my quiet place at the night, and get feeling as well as it is. It's so unfinished, but okay. How to repair it? It's not possible. How to repair this chainsaw? Maybe you need a special tool for it. I am not sure. difficult. Interesting. And also I need a screwdriver. The two axes. This is it. Because I have got the I've got this almost. No, not a small equipment. Oh, yes. I got this compass. Proceed to craft this compass. And you need to do the repair. Time spent 30 minutes. Need level 1. Okay. Okay. Cancel. I got the compass. Press tab to use. Ah, and you see, this is the east side. This is north. Okay. This is east, this is south, and this is west. But if the sun comes out up, you see from this northeast, and sun goes down. Oh, it shows up the base. 60 meters. Okay. So it is very helpful. Showing the base. Nice. Okay. I don't know how to change this chainsaw chain, but I did repair in this video this compass, and by pressing the tabulator key it shows up the base and where do you all the you can easily find places through this compass. It's very helpful. You just give to Kate just give to Kate an apple and or 2 apples and
Yes.
he gives this compass, but you need a screwdriver to repair this compass. Okay, this was everything from me. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.